Hello, I'm Manas from the Department of Visual Communication.
MRCAS Viscom is a hub of artistic talent ready to face the dynamic world of visual communication. Faculties are from industry and academic background. The program covers various creative fields like drawing, photography, videography, graphic designing, 2D and 3D animation, AR/VR technologies and filmmaking. The department offers industry standard value-added and online courses. Students create impactful short films and documentaries and do participate in various competitions all around. If you're truly passionate about visual communication, join Viscom at MRCAS because your creative journey starts here.